Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake samples. First, select a versatile cake recipe that holds its texture and flavor when baked in smaller quantities. This ensures your clients experience the true quality of your work. Next, prepare your cake batter carefully, following the recipe precisely. Using ingredients at room temperature is crucial for a smooth, well-emulsified batter, leading to a consistent crumb structure in your samples. For baking, use small, individual molds or a shallow sheet pan to create uniform samples. This method allows for even baking and easy portioning. Remember to adjust your baking time. Smaller portions usually require only 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baked, transfer your samples to a wire rack immediately. Allowing them to cool completely prevents condensation and maintains their delicate texture. Once your cake samples are fully cooled, it's time to add the finishing touches. Apply a thin, even layer of your chosen frosting or filling to each piece. If you baked a larger sheet, cut it into uniform 2-inch by 2-inch squares for consistent tasting portions. Presentation is key. Arrange your samples neatly on a small plate or in individual wrappers. This thoughtful display enhances the tasting experience for your potential clients. For transport, package each cake sample individually in a small, clear container to protect its integrity and presentation. Don't forget to include a small label detailing the specific cake and frosting flavors. This helps clients remember their favorites. A well-packaged sample reflects your professionalism and attention to detail. And for those who love to read, check the description for a link to a great e-reader and other fantastic deals. This ensures a memorable and positive experience, encouraging future business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.